this be a place where peace always reigns, where hatred is killed with kindness and grace. Let this be a place where every life's cherished and safe. Let this be a place we all can win, no matter your gender or color of skin. Let this be a place where every last child is cared for. Let us live in a world where we're all truly free. Not one is left shackled, not one is hungry, because love rains down, because love rains down, because love rains down on you and me. Let this be a place we all fit in, no matter the God that you believe in. Let this be a place for you, no matter your journey, where all of the have-nots have all that they need. You're free to be loved however you please. Nobody gets cursed, nobody gets